Hey art friends, welcome to today's how-to. Today we'll be learning how to draw Jumbo Josh from Garden of Banban as a smiling critter from Poppy Playtime. So first we're going to come up towards the top and we're going to get started with our eyes. So coming over on the right, we're going to curve this line around and then up. And then we're going to start by closing this off on the top by drawing in a nice big arch line from left to right. Moving over towards the left up on a diagonal, we're going to curve this line around and then up. And then from our inside line, we're going to close off the top of our left eye by drawing in another arch line. Now on the top left-hand side, we're going to draw in an oval for the pupil of the eye. For the mouth, coming down on the right, we're going to curve this line down. And then on the left-hand side, we'll replicate that, curving that down again. Now from here, we're going to close this off on the top with a diagonal line, curving that up on the right. And then we're going to close this off on the bottom with a nice big arch line from left to right, bringing that up on the side. For our tongue, we're going to curve this line over and across. And then in the center again, we're going to curve this line around and then down. Let's draw in the glasses up above now. So in the center, we're going to curve this line down. To the right of this, we're going to arch this line around and then up. And then let's move over on the left-hand side, curving this line around and then back up again. On the inside for the top of the head, we're just going to start from that point, curving this line down. And then we'll do the same thing over on the right-hand side. Let's close off the cheeks first. So on the right-hand side, we're going to curve this line around and then in towards the middle. And then on the left-hand side, again, we're going to arch this line around and then back in on the bottom. To close off the rest of the sunglasses now, starting on the right-hand side, we're going to curve this line around and then down towards the top of the head. And then for our eyebrows, we're just going to draw in two curved lines on both sides. Now let's draw in our left arm. So coming underneath the chin here, we're going to curve this line around and then out. And then stepping further up, we're going to draw in a curved line from top to bottom. To close off the rest of the arm now, we're going to curve this line around and then up towards the chin. For our hand, we're going to curve this line up, across, and then in towards the middle. And then starting again on the side, we're going to curve this line around and then in at the bottom, blending that in. Now for the torso, on the right hand side, we're going to curve this line around and over. And then we're going to continue to curve this line around and then up on the left hand side. For the left leg, we're going to curve this line down on the inside. And then we'll do the same thing over on the left-hand side from that point, curving that across, ending that so it's on a diagonal. For the top of the foot, starting on the inside, we're going to curve this line around and then down on the left. And now on the bottom, we're going to draw in another curved line from left to right. Let's move over towards the middle now, and we're going to arch this line down for our right leg. And then moving up again, we're going to curve this line around and then out. On the top from that point now, we're going to curve this line around and then down. And then from this corner, we're just going to curve this line around and then in towards the middle. Let's draw in our right arm now. So on the top, we're going to curve this line out. Stepping underneath this, we're going to curve this line around and then up. For the first finger here, we're going to curve this line around and then in towards the middle. And then to the right of that, we're just going to curve this line around, bringing this all the way over and in towards the torso. Now let's draw in the pendant. So in the middle, we're going to draw in a fist. So we're going to draw in a curved line on the top, bringing that down on the right. To the right of this, we're going to curve this line around and then up. Let's step across in towards the middle, replicating that. We'll do that again on the left-hand side. And then again, one more time on the left, closing that off, bringing that up towards the side. And now for the thumb on the bottom, we're just going to draw in a sideways oval. Now we're going to draw in a pendant on both sides, drawing in 2 diagonal lines. And that is it. That's how you draw Jumbo Josh as a smiling critter. You can pause the video and color it the way that I have done, or you can change your colors up if you'd like. If you enjoyed today's video, please hit that thumbs up button and subscribe to the channel, and also drop a comment below suggesting any more characters that you'd love to learn to draw next. Thanks so much for joining me on today's tutorial, and I will see you all on the next one.